Hello, this is Chris Walker, North Carolina Job Training and Safety Specialist. I'm here to give you a brief tutorial on how to get logged on to the North Carolina Learning Management System and also how to access the course Hazard Communication. You should have received an email from the NCEC admin telling you that you've been enrolled in the Hazard Communication class. Your cooperative has already provided you your logon credentials to access this site. You'll see a link to a brief tutorial that you're watching now, and also you'll see a link to the LMS itself. So let's go ahead and click on the link to the LMS. Here we're going to have to put in our logon credentials. Normally the username is the first dot last name and then our password. Now that we're in the site, the dashboard is pretty easy to navigate. Here you can see the dashboard itself, a calendar, any files you may have, and the courses. The only course we are enrolled in is Energy United's Hazard Communication. So let's click on that to open the course. Here you see the course, Hazard Communication. There's two sections of this. The first is the course itself, and the second is the test. Notice, the test is restricted. Until you finish the course, you cannot take the test. So let's go ahead and open the course, and I'll give you a brief overview of how to navigate. Here we have two modes to preview the course. We're going to go into preview mode and hit enter. It may take a moment or two for the course to load. You'll see this spinning wheel. Do not back out. Just wait for the wheel to finish its progression. Now that we have the course open, I'm going to give you just a brief overview how to navigate. Here at the bottom, you can see the play bar. On the play bar, we have a return, a play, a muting function, a table of contents, and the exit button. In this LMS, this button is not functionable. If we exit the program, we have to go up to exit activity at the top of the page. Anytime you exit the activity, once you start it back, you will resume exactly where you left off. So let's go ahead and hit the play button.
Management system. The course Hazard Communication is designed to provide general knowledge.
With the program running, there's very little you have to do, but there is interaction. Also, we can see here that we have a table of contents. As you progress through the slides, these contents will become available. To exit the table of contents, just click the button again. There's also a few things we can do to make this workspace a little bigger. So let's close out this part of the dashboard and let's open this up. Now we're in full screen mode. You'll notice some buttons here I'll try to highlight. These are non-functional buttons as we have the play bar built into the program itself. To go back to normal screen, we just click on those buttons. The North Carolina Learning Management System hopes you enjoy this training, Hazard Communication. We hope that it's easy to use. We hope that logistically it makes annual trainings easier for cooperatives for all their employees. Thank you.